Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make grilled sandwich. Before we start, I'm going to tell you what you will need. First, you will need 4 pieces of bread with butter on. You will need pastry brush and a small bowl with oil. And now I'm going to tell you my toppings. I'm going to use extra mature cheese, mozzarella cheese, green capsicum, cucumber, onion and tomato. Let's start the recipe, everyone. First, I'm going to open the grill and I'm going to put the oil on. I'm going to put the oil on because if I put the bread on without the oil, the bread will stick to the pan. I'm going to tip it on the side because I don't want too much to fall on there. You need to make sure you cover all of it because if you don't, then some parts will get stuck to the pan. I am going to put my bread on the grill, but before I do that, I need to switch it on. Now I'm going to take my piece of bread and I'm going to put it on the grill. Now I am going to start with the this cheese and just put on here. I'm not going to put too much because I have other toppings to put on as well. Now I am going to put on the green capsicum. You want to make sure you don't put too much because we have more toppings to put on. And if we put too much, then it won't fit. Now I am going to put on my cucumber. Now I'm going to put little bit onion. Now I'm going to put tomato on because I like tomato. If you want to, you can choose your own ingredients or you can use these ones. Now I'm going to put the last ingredient on top. It is the mozzarella cheese. I put the mozzarella cheese on top because if I put it near this other cheese, then all the cheese would be at the bottom and no cheese would be at the top. I'm going to put little bit salt on. And I'm going to put little bit black pepper on. I'm also going to put some mayonnaise on. Now I'm going to put the other piece of bread on and shut the lid and leave it for 2 minutes. Now I have made both of my sandwiches. I did have some help from my mum to take it out of the grill and to cut it because the knife was very sharp and the sandwiches were very hot. Now I'm going to try the grilled sandwich. It's very nice. I recommend you try this recipe. Remember to subscribe, like and share my videos so I can make more for all of you guys. Bye!